Welcome back. In the last video I showed you how to make this diamond shaped signet ring, and what I'm going to do with this quick video is just show you how you can change the shape on top to make any shape you like. So what I'm going to do here is go back to this sketch, which was the sketch of the diamond shape, and this time I'm going to make it into a circle. Alright, so from here out to here, I'm going to get rid of these lines. And that one there, don't need that anymore. And then finish the sketch. Now you can see that it doesn't like it very much because I have to go through and change a few things about my loft. So if I go back to my loft feature, so it's chosen the circle here and that plane, so it's got the two planes there. But when I do my transitions, I need to I'm going to do that to start with, so that this will automatically map them. But if you have a look, you can see that it hasn't done this right. So that one is correct, okay, and you can see a straight line between there, and this one is correct there, but on this side it's going on a funny wacky angle, and I don't really know why Inventor does this, but it does. So what we need to do is to take off the automatic mapping again and find that line and just correct it. So we're going to bring it in about there, like that. Okay, and so now that looks better. What you're looking for is a straight line, as I said, between there and there. Alright, so if I do that, then I've still got some errors here, so I'm going to accept that and see what happens. So for some reason it doesn't like the fillet, although that fillet looks pretty good to me, but maybe the radius is just too big. So let's go back to the fillet again, and it's got 6 edges, so I'm just going to get rid of those edges and then select the edges again. So I want that one and that one, and clearly the 10mm is too much for this shape ring. So let's go to a 5, and you can see now it's done that. So we just make that 6, and then 7. Okay, and I think as soon as that starts going over the just keep pushing it and see how far we can get it. Okay, so 8 is as big as we can go with that, so let's go with an 8. Alright, and then OK, and now you can see that we've got a nice round shape on the fillet, on the signet ring. Alright, so pretty much using this method you can make whatever shape you like on top. It could be an oval, could be a hexagon, anything you like. Just have to watch for the transition points, work out where you want the transition points to go, or the transition lines between for the loft, and then you are free to make any shape you like for your signet ring.